In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely close Microsoft Teams on both your PC and mobile devices. It's important to know how to do this because sometimes simply exiting the app doesn't fully close it and may keep it running in the background, which can use up system resources and potentially affect performance or battery life. Let's start with the steps for Windows PCs. First, let's look at two options to close Microsoft Teams on your Windows PC. For the first option, you'll be doing this directly from the app itself. Begin by opening Microsoft Teams and navigating to the top right of your screen where you'll see your profile picture. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Sign Out. This action not only logs you out of your account but also closes the application completely. However, if you prefer an alternative method, you can close Teams from the system tray. Here's how you can do that. Locate the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen next to the clock. You should see the Teams icon there. Right-click on the Teams icon and a small context menu will pop up. From this menu, simply select Quit. By doing this, you aren't just minimizing the program, you're actually shutting it down completely, ensuring it no longer runs in the background. Now, let's move on to closing Microsoft Teams on your mobile device. Whether you're using an iOS or Android smartphone, the process is slightly different, but just as straightforward. Begin by opening the Teams app. Then, tap on your profile picture, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Once there, navigate to Settings, and from that menu, select Sign Out. This step logs you out of the application and effectively closes it. To make sure Teams is completely closed on iOS, you'll need to swipe up from the bottom of the screen if your device supports it, or double-press the Home button to bring up the multitasking view. From there, find the Teams app and swipe it away. This action fully removes it from running in the background. Similarly, for Android users, open the Recent Apps view by either swiping up from the bottom or tapping on the button designed for recent apps depending on your device model. Locate Teams in this view and swipe it away to stop it from running. And there you have it, a complete guide to fully closing Microsoft Teams on your PC and mobile devices. By following these steps, you can ensure that Teams is not consuming resources when you're not using it, keeping your devices running smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more handy tech tips and tricks.